Joto no lam chok so raja hani kupo sinal dikhain mukhe do bin chong pring sei nang joto kobru kupo no nai soye tongne ro no tini kupok ta te bi mokhe bose.
For our nation to truly thrive, it must recognize that prosperity is built on economic and social development, the preservation of culture, advancements in education and healthcare, and the protection of individual and community rights, including indigenous peoples. In the Chittagong Hill Tracts, or CHT in Bangladesh, the Juma peoples cannot exercise their power to implement the 6 mandated areas of the Permanent Forum because of the Bangladesh government's insincerity. In 1997, an agreement took place between the Juma people and the Bangladesh government. The agreement, called the CHT Accord, could be a power to them if implemented with sincerity. In 27 years, the accord has not been fully implemented as the government has lacked the sincerity. Sincerity is founded upon trust, compassion, and respect, and the collective pursuit of goodwill within an individual, community, and a nation. Bangladesh is yet to achieve all these qualities. The dictator of Bangladesh fled the country in 2024, and the new interim government, formed with Dr. Muhammad Yunus, who is an internationally well-known economist, could begin to implement the unfulfilled clauses of the accord for a lasting peace and betterment of the country. It has been learned that the Army Chief, General Waker Uzzaman, has softened the stance on the CHT issue for democracy, which could indicate his intention for a solution to the CHT. There's a new development for peace in the CHT that the interim government has initiated to implement the CHT Accord by reconstituting the CHT Accord Implementation and Monitoring Committee by a Gazette notice on January 12, 2025. However, it is yet to be seen if the interim government is acting with sincerity to implement the remaining provisions of the CHT Accord that will fulfill the aspirations of the Juma people. My request to the Permanent Forum is to please keep on pressing the interim government for full implementation of the Accord, as the indigenous Juma people are very eager to implement the 6 mandated areas of the Permanent Forum. Thank you.
Mchi mic na hiya ma songo bus kamotre video ta mai sa nan ba pon da wona bot channel bai kung ito di